Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for NerdWallet. Now click on the sign up button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign up page. You can use your Google account to sign up for a shortcut or manually enter your first and your last name, followed by your email address and your desired password for your account. After entering all of these, click on the continue button and now you will be asked to add your authentication method. Choose an authenticator app or your SMS method. You will then be asked to enter your phone number if you chose SMS. Enter your phone number and then click on the enable button. If you choose the authenticator application option, you will be asked to scan a QR code using the application. So scan this code from your app and you will be given your one-time code that you can use to log in. Just type in this code and click on the enable button and now your account will be activated and you will be signed up to your newly created account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on NerdWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.